on, guys? Today we're gonna hit you with another bang. Wait, we didn't even do a video yet. We're gonna be hitting you guys with a banger video today. Today I'm going to be putting on a 2014 Kx100 fender on my 2007 Kx100 with my dad. We'll meet you guys in the garage. Okay, we're just in the garage now. My dad's just gonna be seeing if it's the right size and if it can bolt up. So yeah, let's get to it. In the gym, guys, we're just going to be putting on the last couple decals onto the fender to finish the bike. We're going to be doing this inside so it doesn't bubble because it's cold outside, obviously. And, well, that's about it. But, yeah. Without the fender getting in the way. Now we're just tightening it up and we should be ready to go. Just bring you guys to the front so you guys can see. But yeah. Well, this is the final product. The new fender. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah.